Have you ever wished for something so badly, yet it feels just out of reach? Maybe it's a dream job, a healthier lifestyle, or the perfect relationship. We've all been there hoping, wishing, but feeling like the universe just isn't on our side. But what if I told you it only takes 3 days to turn your wish into reality? Yes, just 3 days. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the truth is you already have the power to manifest what you desire. The key is in how you think, how you feel, and most importantly, how you imagine your dream coming true. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple yet incredibly powerful process that, when practiced daily, can make the impossible feel possible. All you need is 3 days. 3 days to change your mindset, 3 days to align your energy, and 3 days to open the door to your dreams. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about knowing that your desires are already on their way to you. Ready to see how it works? Listen to this every day and watch how your world transforms. Let's dive in. Imagination is one of the most powerful forces we possess. It's not just a form of escapism or fantasy. It is the foundation upon which reality is built. Every creation, be it in technology, art, science, or everyday life, began as a thought or a vision in someone's mind. Before a single invention or masterpiece existed in physical form, it existed first as an imagined idea. The Wright brothers imagined flight before it ever took off the ground. Artists imagined their creations before they touched the canvas, and innovators picture solutions to the world's problems before they implement them. Imagination allows us to transcend the limits of what currently exists and explore what could be. It propels us forward, creating the bridge between the present and the future. Without it, we would be stagnant, confined to the known and the physical. Through imagination, we are able to push the boundaries of possibility, breaking free from what is conventional and embracing what is extraordinary. When we allow ourselves to imagine freely and without restriction, we unlock our potential to manifest the impossible. It's through this act of creation that we can bring new ideas into the world. Our imagination doesn't just stay in our heads, it becomes the blueprint for reality. It's a tool that enables us to dream beyond the constraints of time and space, allowing us to shape a future that was once only a distant thought. Desire is the driving force behind everything we manifest in our lives. It is the seed that plants the vision of what we wish to create. Without a clear desire, there is no direction, no purpose. The universe works in harmony with our desires, but it can only respond to what we truly want. If we are unclear about our goals or hesitant about our desires, we send mixed signals to the world, and as a result, we may find ourselves stuck or lost. The clarity of desire acts as a roadmap, guiding us through the twists and turns of life. It shapes the decisions we make, the opportunities we pursue, and the actions we take. When we know exactly what we want, the path becomes clearer, and the universe begins to open doors that align with our vision. Desire fuels our determination, providing the motivation to overcome obstacles and challenges that may arise along the way. However, desire alone is not enough. It must be accompanied by belief and action. Simply wishing for something without putting effort into it will not bring results. Desire is a powerful force, but it must be backed by the commitment to take the necessary steps toward its fulfillment. When we are aligned with our desires, we become magnetic to opportunities that help manifest them. Our desires are not mere wishes, they are the blueprint for the life we are meant to create. And with focus, belief, and effort, they can become our reality. Breaking free from external expectations is one of the most liberating steps we can take in life. From a young age, we are often molded by the expectations of others, our family, society, friends, and even colleagues. While external guidance can be helpful, when we rely too heavily on the approval and opinions of others, we risk losing touch with our own true desires. This external pressure can limit our potential and cloud our judgment, leading us to follow paths that don't truly resonate with who we are. True freedom begins when we start to listen to our own inner voice and trust our instincts. We all have a unique internal compass, our desires, passions, and values that define who we are. When we align our actions with this internal guidance, we step into our authentic power. Rejecting external pressures doesn't mean we disregard the opinions of others, but it means we no longer let them dictate our choices. Instead, we prioritize our own truth and take full ownership of our decisions. This shift requires courage, as it's easy to fall into the trap of seeking approval or fear disappointing others. But when we make decisions based on our own desires, we open up a world of possibilities. We become the architects of our own lives, creating a reality that is in alignment with who we truly are, not who others want us to be. In doing so, we unlock our full potential and live with greater fulfillment and authenticity. Engaging all of your senses is one of the most powerful ways to bring your imagination to life and manifest your desires. The more vivid and detailed your imagined experience, the more real it becomes in your mind and ultimately in the physical world. It's not enough to simply visualize the outcome of your dreams. You must involve all five senses in the experience. Imagine not just what you want, but how it feels, smells, sounds, and tastes. The more sensory detail you add, the more it embeds itself into your subconscious, helping you to fully embody the experience. For instance, if you imagine yourself in your dream job, don't just picture the office or the title. Feel the texture of the desk, hear the hum of the computer, smell the coffee brewing in the corner, and taste the satisfaction of accomplishing something meaningful. The richer the sensory experience, the more your mind will accept it as a real possibility, which accelerates the manifestation process. Immersing yourself fully in this imagined scenario is like rehearsing for a play where you step into your role as if it were happening right now. This level of engagement strengthens your belief that what you're imagining is achievable, drawing you closer to its realization. The universe responds to this energy, creating opportunities and events that align with your vision. By consistently practicing this level of sensory-rich visualization, you begin to see your desires materialize faster and more naturally. Imagination is a powerful tool that taps into unseen forces that guide us toward the fulfillment of our desires. Whether we refer to these forces as the divine, the universe, or collective energy, they are constantly at work, orchestrating events and circumstances to align with our goals. While we may not always understand or see these forces directly, they are there, moving in the background, helping to bring our imagined realities into being. What is invisible today can become visible tomorrow, as long as we trust the process and remain faithful to our vision. These unseen forces operate beyond the limitations of time and space, guiding us in ways we may not fully comprehend. They bring people, opportunities, and resources into our lives, often in unexpected ways. This is where true faith comes in. We must trust that everything is happening for our highest good, even if the path appears uncertain or unconventional at times. Sometimes these forces work through synchronicity, seemingly random events that are actually part of a greater plan. Other times they manifest through subtle nudges, inspirations, or signs that point us in the right direction. When we open ourselves to the possibility of these unseen energies guiding us, we begin to recognize the connections and patterns that lead us closer to our desires. The key is to stay open, trust the process, and believe that the universe is always working in our favor, even when the outcome isn't immediately visible. In time, what was once invisible will unfold before us. Life has a beautiful way of working in mysterious and unexpected ways to bring us closer to our imagined goals. This phenomenon, often called synchronicity, is the alignment of seemingly random events that serve as stepping stones toward the fulfillment of our desires. While it may appear as chance or coincidence, these occurrences are actually guided by the energy we put out into the world through our thoughts, desires, and imagination. When we focus on what we want and remain open to the flow of life, the universe begins to orchestrate a series of events that lead us toward our vision. These events might not always make sense at first, and they often come in unexpected forms. A chance encounter, a serendipitous opportunity, or an unexpected message may all seem random, but they are connected by an invisible thread that aligns with our desires. It's important to pay attention to these synchronicities and trust in their significance. Life is often guiding us in ways that we can't predict, but if we follow the flow, we find ourselves moving in the direction of our dreams. The key is to remain open, present, and in tune with the subtle nudges and signs that come our way. When we embrace the flow of synchronicity, we stop forcing outcomes and begin to trust the process. Our imagination has already set the wheels in motion, and the universe is simply bringing us the pieces, one by one, to fulfill our vision. The power of persistence and imagination is an unstoppable force when combined. Even in the face of uncertainty, when physical evidence of your desires is absent, the unwavering persistence of your imagination is what ultimately brings them into reality. The process of manifestation requires consistent belief in your vision, even when others may doubt you or when circumstances appear to contradict your dreams. Successful people, especially those who have achieved extraordinary goals, often maintain faith in their vision, even when there's no visible proof to support it. They understand that the mind is the true creator of their reality and that persistence in holding on to a clear and focused vision is essential. Their success is rooted not in what the world tells them is possible, but in their own unwavering belief in what they can achieve. Persistence is key in the process of manifestation. It's not enough to imagine once and expect the world to deliver. You must remain steadfast in your imagined state. Hold on to your vision with a firm grip, even if the physical world doesn't yet reflect it. Your imagination is the blueprint for your future, and with persistence, you are building the foundation for your desires to materialize. When external circumstances suggest doubt or delay, remember that those are only temporary. The true power lies within you, the power to persist, trust the process, and eventually see your imagination solidify into reality. Keep believing, keep imagining, and watch as your vision comes to life. Faith plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process, and it goes far beyond religious belief. It is the unwavering trust in the unseen process, the faith that your desires are already on their way, even when there is no tangible evidence to support it. This trust in the invisible forces that work behind the scenes is what transforms imagination into reality. When you're on the path to manifesting your dreams, there will inevitably be moments of doubt, setbacks, and challenges. Everything around you may point to failure, but faith is the foundation that keeps you moving forward. It's the belief that, despite what your senses may tell you, the universe is aligning in your favor. Faith means knowing that what you desire is already on its way, even when you can't see how it will materialize. This type of faith is crucial because it strengthens your belief in the process. Even when the physical world hasn't caught up with your inner vision, it provides the fuel to keep going, to persist in your assumptions, and to continue visualizing your desires. Without faith, your imagination remains just that, an abstract thought. But with faith, your imagination becomes the blueprint for your reality. Faith is the bridge between the unseen world of possibilities and the physical world of manifestation. So when faced with doubts or obstacles, remember that faith is the key that unlocks the door to your dreams. Trust the process and your desires will materialize in due time. Setbacks are often viewed as obstacles, but in reality, they are simply stepping stones that guide us toward the fulfillment of our desires. What seems like a failure today can actually be the catalyst for growth, change, and the necessary shift that aligns us with our goals. It's important to shift our perspective and see these challenges not as roadblocks, but as part of the journey that ultimately leads us to success. When we face setbacks, it's natural to feel frustrated or discouraged. But it's during these moments that we are given a unique opportunity to reassess, adapt, and grow. The universe has a way of rearranging our lives, sometimes in ways we don't understand at the time. But these events are often designed to move us closer to our end goal. What we may perceive as a setback is often the universe's way of clearing the path for something better or redirecting us to a more suitable opportunity. Being flexible and open to how life unfolds is crucial when manifesting your dreams. Trust that everything, even the setbacks, is happening for a reason. By embracing these challenges with a mindset of opportunity, you allow yourself to flow with the changes and remain on track toward your vision. Remember, the road to success is rarely linear, but each detour or obstacle brings you closer to the life you're meant to create. Transform setbacks into opportunities and watch how they accelerate your manifestation process. Living in the end is one of the most powerful techniques for manifesting your desires. It involves immersing yourself in the feeling of already having achieved your goal. Visualize the end result, see it, feel it, and experience it as though it has already come to pass. This practice isn't about waiting for things to change. It's about fully embodying the success you desire in the present moment. The more vividly and intensely you live in the end, the quicker your desired reality will begin to take shape in the physical world. When you embrace the end result in your imagination, you shift your mindset to one of certainty. You begin to live as though your success is inevitable, and this shift in energy draws the circumstances and events needed to bring your vision to life. Every successful manifestation starts with fully assuming that it has already happened, even when your current circumstances seem far from it. The key is to detach from the need for external evidence and trust that the universe is working to align everything in your favor. When you live in the end, you send a clear message to the universe that your success is already yours. By consistently visualizing and feeling the end result, you strengthen your belief and bring it closer to reality. The more you practice this, the sooner your imagined success will materialize in the physical world. It all begins with assuming the end is true, no matter what your present situation looks like. Imagination is far more than a tool for manifesting desires. It is a powerful vehicle for personal evolution. When you use your imagination to envision your dreams, you're not only shaping the future but also transforming yourself in the process. The act of imagining something beyond your current reality forces you to expand your vision of what is possible, allowing you to break free from self-imposed limitations and grow beyond your present state. As you manifest your desires, you will encounter challenges and learn valuable lessons along the way. These experiences are not obstacles but essential steps in your evolution. Each lesson you learn, each skill you develop, prepares you to become the person who can handle and appreciate the success you're working toward. The process of manifestation requires you to evolve into the person who can embody the very dreams you hold in your heart. Imagination helps you bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It allows you to envision a future version of yourself who has already achieved your desires. And through this vision, you start aligning your thoughts, actions, and energy with that version of you. This alignment creates growth, not only in the material sense, but in your character, resilience, and self-awareness. Ultimately, the process of manifesting your dreams isn't just about achieving. It's about evolving into a person capable of experiencing them fully. Your imagination is the first step in this transformative journey. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to manifest your desires in just 3 days. Remember, the power to create your reality is already within you. All it takes is a little focus, belief, and consistency. So make sure you listen every day, trust the process, and watch your dreams unfold. Before you go, I'd love to hear about what you're manifesting. Drop a comment below and share what you want to bring into your life in the next 3 days. Whether it's a big goal or something simple, let's support each other and create a community of manifestation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, your dreams are closer than you think. Keep believing and keep manifesting. See you in the next one.